Welcome to our channel. ERD is an industrial electronic repair company that provides an industry-leading 3-year warranty. We don't just repair your unit, we refurbish it. This NSK Megatorque is out of a Quester APT-6000HP CVD system. This particular unit came to ERD completely shorted out due to a surge and required not only a full repair on the power supply, but also a replacement output board. At ERD, with over 30 years of experience on NSK repair, we have collected an impressive amount of spare parts just in case a rush service is required. In this video, the driver is being tested after the repair. It is customized to be only used in position mode, and therefore we applied a pulse train command sequence to achieve movement. Thank you for watching our channel. Please subscribe to ERD TV for more repair videos.